Hello everyone, today's topic for experiment is analysis of abnormal constituents of urine. First we will be doing test for reducing sugars. The test is Benedict test. Procedure: 5 ml of Benedict solution is taken in a test tube. This is Benedict solution. Now we will take 5 ml in a test tube with the help of dropper. Add 8 drops of urine to it. This is our urine sample. Mix it well. Now the bottom of the test tube is kept in a boiling water bath for 2 minutes. Now wait for the results. Now we see that the color of solution is changed. That indicates the presence of reducing sugar. Now students, we are going to test for bile salts in the urine sample. Take 2 ml of urine in the test tube. Gently sprinkle a little fine sulfur powder . Observe without mixing. Here we see that the sulfur powder did not sink at the bottom. That indicates the absence of bile salts in the urine sample. If the sulfur powder sinks to the bottom, it indicates the presence of bile salts. Further, we'll perform tests for protein. For testing protein, there are 2 tests: heat coagulation test and sulfosalicylic acid test. First, we are going to perform heat coagulation test. Take 10 ml of urine in a test tube. Now heat the test tube in the water bath. Wait for some time. Now we add 1% of acetic acid drop by drop. Now we see formation of white coagulum at the heated portion This indicates the presence of heat coagulable protein like albumin. Now we are going to perform sulfosalicylic acid test for protein. Take 3 ml of urine in a test tube. Now add 20% sulfosalicylic acid drop by drop. White precipitate is being formed. This indicates the presence of protein in the sample. After performing tests for reducing sugar, bile salts and protein, now we are going to perform tests for ketone bodies. The test name is Rothra's test. Take 5 ml of urine in a test tube. Add solid ammonium sulfate a little at a time with mixing to saturate the solution. Now add 2 to 3 drops of freshly prepared 5% sodium nitroprusside solution. Mix it well. Add 1 ml of strong ammonium hydroxide dropwise along the side of the test tube. diamagnet colored ring is formed that indicates the presence of ketone bodies.